On the blip today, Apple patents a dock-like device. Rumors of a Surface Book 3 may be in the works. ASUS has a device that can remove the bezels between your monitors, and Motorola releases a video stating lumps and bumps are normal. We'll see what that's all about right after this. What is going on, fellow nerds? It is me, Jamocha, and this is The Blip, the show in which I cover news, highlights, and events from the world of tech. But before we dive into these stories, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you like this kind of content. First up, Motorola says bumps and lumps are normal in the display of the new Motorola Razr. So Motorola says don't panic, don't worry about that. But before we get into that, the pre-sales are available right now exclusively through Verizon for $14.99, and the phone will be available on the 14th of February. So Motorola had just released a video that was talking about the care of their phone, and in the video it does make the claim that the phone will undergo bumps and lumps under normal wear and tear, and not to panic about that. So it's a good thing that Motorola is preemptively getting that message out. Props to them for doing that. Not a lot of manufacturers will go out and say that their device has something like this in there. So I think they did not want to have another Samsung Galaxy Fold event, so they're just telling the users right now this is what's going to happen. So I am glad that they are doing that, so props out to Motorola for taking care of that. No, I'm hearing rumors that the Samsung Galaxy Fold will be using a very thin glass, so the glass may not be susceptible to bumps and lumps, so we'll be interested to see how that plays out. Okay, Apple has a patent that reveals a MacBook-like dock for iPhones and iPads. So, according to the patent itself, it details an electronic accessory device that will let future iOS products become part of a larger hardware system to extend the functionality of a portable computing device. So, what it is a host computer. Instead of a trackpad itself, you would place your iPhone inside the device. But from what it sounds like in the patent, that this is not a full-blown computer, so you put your phone in there and it acts as the actual computer itself, and it allows you to have a full keyboard and a screen as well. Me personally, I think I would have preferred the device to be a full-blown MacBook, but you could actually swap out the mouse pad and put your phone in there, use your iPhone as a trackpad or as a secondary screen. That's what I would have preferred that to be. And in the next picture, it shows off that there's a way to put your iPad inside the screen, so replace the screen itself, put your iPad there, and then you have a mouse pad and a keyboard. To me, it's just like having a keyboard and mouse pad already. Those devices are already out there for your iPads right there, so I'm not sure what the benefit of something like this would actually be. But again, these are patents. Some of these patents may not see the light of day, so we'll see what happens with that. Alright, according to the leaks, we may have a Surface Book 3 in the works. Alright, over on Twitter, there's a user that goes by the name of @ROG Game. He's been known for previous hardware leaks. He is stating that he has some specs for the Surface Book 3, and they will be Intel's Core i7 1065G7 Ice Lake processor. That's the 10th gen Intel chips. NVIDIA's GTX 1650 Max-Q graphics card. Now, also, according to notebookcheck.net, there could be another 2 models in the work, being a 15-inch model with the same Intel chip, but also has an upgraded GTX 1660 Ti Max-Q GPU. So we'll see if this actually comes to the light of day. You say it's been 2 years since we actually have had a new Surface Book. Last April they did update the Surface Book, but again, it's been a couple years since we had a brand new one. So hopefully they will, release a Surface Book 3 sometime very soon. ASUS has a device that can remove the bezels on your monitor. Yes, ASUS is doing some magic here. So check this out. So they created the ROG or the ROG Bezel Free Kit. So what you do is you install it in between your two monitors, and voila, by magic, it actually makes the bezels go away. So let's take a look here. So the monitor, in order for this to work, ASUS is saying that the monitors must sit at an angle of about 130 degrees, so give or take a few degrees or so. And it only will work with monitors that are 27 inches and under. So if you have something over that, this is not going to work with you, unfortunately. So this device is currently out on the market and it sells on Amazon right now for about $109. So I'm wondering if this does work pretty well. Will they think about porting this over to larger monitors? That would be pretty good, because I'm sure some people out there have larger monitors and that they want to have those bezels go away. I myself would like to have that, so this device looks pretty good. I'm actually excited about it, so we'll see what happens. That is all I have for you in the blip today. Let me know down in the comment section, are you excited about this Apple dock device? And also, let me know if you're looking forward to that ASUS device that can get rid of your bezels. I know I am. And if you like this content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay up to date every time we release new videos. And until the next video, guys, stay nerdy.